Hello everyone, welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snurt. Here we are in Dolgethly, about to cook a Japanese curry. So what you need to start off with is a chopped onion, 4 cloves of garlic and maybe a half-inch of fresh ginger. And they are going there straight into the Dutch oven, Petromax FT6. You want to grate or dry the ginger, and the same with the garlic. Fry the onions, ginger and garlic, and a little salt until the onions turn golden brown. In the other FT6 we've got some japonica rice steaming away there with some water. So that's cooked, which we don't take the lid off because of course we don't want to do that. So what we're doing now is adding 3 tablespoons of flour and mix on a low heat until smooth. Now we were supposed to add 20 grams of butter as well at the same time as stir there. Unfortunately we forgot to bring the butter, but at that point you can chuck in the 20 grams of butter as well, which I've done it since. It worked both ways, with or without butter. So you could get away with doing it without if you wanted to do that. So leave that to fry, give it a good stir, make sure everything's all well mixed up.
4 tablespoons of curry powder.
And we also forgot to bring a tablespoon, so this is 4 tablespoons of curry powder, again mixed with the food, whichever curry powder you fancy really, but obviously it will vary on the strength and the heat, so feel free to experiment, whatever your favourite curry powder is. Around 4 tablespoons. I think we decided that we were going to make it a bit hotter, so in went another couple, basically, a couple of tablespoons. Don't have it too high heat at this point. Don't want any of the flour or the spices to burn on the bottom. It's getting a bit hot. It smells really good at this point already, and we've hardly even let it go in. So what we've got in there now is we have tipped in a 1 cup of tomato juice. Now the recipe actually calls for vegetable juice, but and I didn't even use tomato juice when I cooked it. I used passata. So passata, tomato juice or vegetable juice, that's 1 cup of vegetable juice, or the juice of your choice, should I say there. And added to that now 600 millilitres of water. And mix that together. It was raining really hard when we were doing this, so you couldn't hear in the air shelter for the amount of noise of the rain. So I narrated this over the top. What we're going to add now is a bouillon cube. When I did mine, I used one of those stock cubes. You could use a stock gel, stock pot things. I used a chicken one at home, so it's going to be cooked with chicken. But any type of stock, or even vegetable stock you could do. Just experiment, try any of those. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Again, no tablespoon, so a good guess. Stir that in. I wish I was eating that now actually. I can remember how it smelled. Added to that now is a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, or Worcester sauce. Just checking the heat of the rice. That's a tablespoon of sugar. Add to it. A little sweetness. Adjust that to taste a little bit, so like salt and pepper. So that's what the recipe is, a tablespoon of sugar. And the next one is actually a really strange ingredient, but you know, there are strange ingredients in some food. This one even I consider was strange. That is a teaspoon, only a teaspoon of coffee. Like putting dark chocolate in chili. Teaspoon of coffee. Can't taste the coffee, but it's probably there. It does something to it. Simmer now over a low heat for 20 minutes with the lid off. Don't cook it up. Don't boil it too hard. Right, outside here now on the Petromax Targo, in a Petromax frying pan as well, actually, we have got a large amount of chicken breasts. I used about half a kilo when I did it. The recipe says 300, but it depends if you cook it, how many you come from. 300 grams of chicken, 300 grams of potato, and a carrot. So chop the potatoes up, chop the chicken breasts up, and slice the carrot, and fry that. Oops, you don't have to saw that then. Saw that, you put that back then, don't you? Anyway, bit of carrot on the grass and everything anyhow. So once you've cooked it's done until the chicken's cooked. I did it the last time I tried cooking this. I did it in a bit of I want to do it in a bit of a rush. So I actually use a large can of potatoes, chop the potatoes up, and a can of sliced carrots. And they were already pre-cooked, so they didn't take us quite as long really. Once you've done the chicken, the carrot and the potato, put it in the stew for a bit, let it simmer. Enjoy your Japanese curry with japonica rice. Enjoy the great outdoors. Thanks for watching.